how to transfer money between accounts in Wells Fargo application. Hey everybody, if you guys are wanting to do that, you may follow up these steps. So what you may do is first of all head over the Wells Fargo application very easily and open it up. And once you open it up, you need to be logged in into your account. Now that you're logged in, you should be finding this home interface on your screen. So let's just straight head over the process. For that, you may look out for this option called Pay and Transfer within your screen. In the middle, in the bottom, there are different options. Look out for Pay and Transfer tab. And once you tap on it, you will be getting these 4 options. Within the 4 options, you need to look out for the option called Wire Money, which is under Send Money. Tap on it. After that, start the process. Now you can start by tapping on Get Started. You need to look out for this online wires. Tap on Get Started. And when you do, first of all, you need to verify your identity. So you will be provided a code to your provided mobile information, mobile number. You may just go ahead and type in the code. After that, once you have entered the code here in this code section, submitted it, here it will give you option to select the recipient's bank. So you may select up the recipient's bank country, first of all. For example, United States, select that. And once you do that, here it will give you option to provide other details as well. So you need to enter up the recipient's first and last name, and you can select up which account type they have. After that, their routing number. You need to ask them their routing number and enter it up and look out for continue verify bank name. After that is done, once you have continued process after everything is entered, here it will start with the process. So you can just go ahead and provide in the amount, type in the amount that you would like to send them. We have transfer limits from $25,000 to $75,000 for a business account. After that, type in that, continue. And once that is done, you need to provide in the account number of the recipient. Just go ahead and provide them, continue the process again, continue again. After that, provide up these other information like recipient's nickname, address line, city, country, state, zip code, or postal code. Once you have entered up these details as well, tap on continue. After that, review the statement. After that is done, that is how you add recipient once everything is completed. And again, you need to verify your identity for the transaction. Go ahead and provide the code you will be getting on your number. And once that is done, tap on send wire. And that way, your money will be sent within the Wells Fargo application from account to account. So that's it for today's video. You may follow up this method if you would like to do so. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.